In any business, there are two common transactions, one of registering income and one of registering expense. In this video, we will show you how to record these transactions so that accounting can be done easily. On the home page, you will notice the income button in green. This is to register money coming into your business through a sale. When you click on this green button, you will reach a screen which says Add Income. Enter the amount that the sale is for. Let's say you sold goods worth Rs 250. So fill in the amount and then click on whether you received cash or money came to the bank account like through GPay or Paytm. Below that, you will have the option of filling in your customer's name and number if you wish. Let's see how to do that. If you click on the Select Party button, you will go to the page called Select Party. Click on the plus button on the top right of the screen. A drop-down appears where you can choose Add Customer. Once you do that, it takes you to the Add Customer screen. Here, you can fill in the name and the number of the customer. Press Save and your customer details are added to MeraBills. This needs to be done only once per customer. Now you can send your customer a payment reminder or invoice easily. If you wish to immediately send a bill to your customer, please click on the bottom right icon of the bill with the rupee sign. It will take you to the Send Invoice screen. Choose any of the relevant options from WhatsApp Business, WhatsApp or SMS. This selection needs to be done only once. Press OK and then press Send and the bill will be sent.